Python string operations. There are many operations that can be performed with strings, which makes it one of the most used data types in Python. Concatenation of two or more strings. Joining of two or more strings into a single one is called concatenation. The plus operator does this in Python. Simply writing two strings, literals, together also concatenates them. The star operator can be used to repeat the string for a given number of times, like given in the following example. The two strings are taken, one string hello and another string with world. Using plus, we can concatenate two strings like hello world, and using star, hello is printed 3 times. Writing two string literals together also concatenates them like plus operator. If we want to concatenate strings in different line, we can use parentheses, as in the given example. Iterating through a string. We can iterate through a string using a for loop. Here is an example to count the number of L's in a string. First, there is a variable named count and is assigned to 0, that is its initial value. A for loop is used for iterating it for many times. If statement is given if whenever L is occurred or traversed, the count variable is increased by 1 and then count is printed. In this example, that is hello world string, there are 3 letters found and that is its output. String membership test. We can test if a substring exists within a string or not using the keyword in. For example, A in program, of course it exists. AT not in battle, no, that's false, actually it is present. Built-in functions to work with Python. Various built-in functions that work with sequence work with strings as well. Some of commonly used ones are enumerate and length. The enumerate function returns an enumerate object. It contains the index and value of all the items in the string as a pairs. This can be useful for iteration. Similarly, len returns the length, that is number of characters of a string. In following example, string is called using enumerate function. String is converted to list and list is stored in another variable named list underscore enumerate and then it is printed. The output is pairs, that is index number and first element or a first element of a string, second element, second string, and keeps going. Another is length, len function. It returns the number of characters, so just pass string as a parameter, and here the string consists of 4 characters, so output is 4.